Hi everyone, we're going to start our next project and we're going to be talking about how artists create distance in their pictures. And the first thing we're going to talk about is foreground, middle ground, and background. You've heard these terms before and we're going to go over it again, but we're going to start today with these three different color papers. The other material you will use are oil pastels, and you're going to need a pair of scissors. These are our very first steps, and we're just at this point talking about foreground, middle ground, and background. In our upcoming lessons, we'll talk about them in detail. So the first thing you're going to do is I like to start with the green one, and because I want you to be able to see it, I'm going to use a permanent marker, but you're going to use a pencil. And what you're going to do is start at one end, and you're just going to make a very gentle curving line. You don't want to add a lot of zigzags and really big wavy lines. Think of this is going to be the ground. So there's that. After you have this ground drawn, then you're going to take your scissors and cut. And notice how small the piece is that I'm actually cutting away from the paper. So this is what I want. This is the garbage. So I'm going to throw that aside and I'll set this one aside. Now I'll go on to this dark gray one. Same thing. And I'm just going to make a gently curving line. I don't want to take off a lot of the paper, and I'll go down like that. Okay, so you can see that one. And then I'm going to cut. So this is actually going to be the middle ground of our paper. Okay, I can take this and stack my green one on top. There's that. Now I'll take my last piece. This is a very light gray. Kind of looks like white on the screen, but it is a gray. And just like I've been doing. Okay, so there you have it. Three pieces of paper, your foreground, your middle ground, and your background. That's the first thing. I'll see you in our next video so I can share with you what you're going to do with this.